as with anything, I love things that are really simple. And the PK is, first off, incredibly durable and very simple. It has 4 air controls on it, and it just gets hot, and then you can get it cold, and it's just very efficient. My stove broke like 2 years ago. And by that, I mean like the oven doesn't work, and I'm down to 1 burner. And I could have got a new stove, but I kind of felt also like, I don't really feel like it. And so I just use the PK almost nightly. I cook on it constantly, and I love it. It's easy to clean, and it's easy to cook on, and they're really cool. And it's like a 1950s design, and it's just remarkably simple, and I love it.